Good morning, today is Saturday. Today is the bank holiday weekend. Like I said, it's Saturday and tomorrow we are having a big barbecue. So I thought maybe I'd vlog a little bit of it. I'm not sure how much I'm going to vlog, especially of the actual day. But today I'll at least show you what I'm going to get from the supermarket. We've got a list. It's obviously quite a big list. Well, maybe it's not obvious, but it is quite a big list. Mike's dad has said he's bringing the bulk of the meat for the barbecue, but we need to buy lots of stuff. I'm just gonna make big salads, some potatoes and actually maybe some rice. And then I think my mum is bringing this thing called feijoada, which if you are familiar with like Portuguese or Brazilian food, you might know what that is, which really isn't barbecue food in my opinion, but she wants to bring it, so that's fine. We are having 18 people over. Honestly sounds crazy, but in my opinion anyway, but that's just our parents, our brothers and their partners, and then my aunt, his aunt, and then also some of my cousins are coming and his nephew's coming. So we just have a really big family. Like there's literally there's so many other people we would love to invite, but for tomorrow it just isn't really an option because there's just already too many of us. My aunt, bless her, was like, I don't need to come, like there's just so many of us already. I'm like, no, like I think we can handle it. We do have a relatively small house. We do have a big-ish kitchen, but we do have a small garden. And that's kind of where we want to spend the day because it's going to be a nice day. I'm not going to take you to Lidl though because we just need to get in and get out, and at this time on a Saturday it's going to be very busy. So I'll see you once I'm back. So we're just back from the shop and this is by far our biggest Lidl shop ever, I think. Do you agree? I'm going to start with the items that need to go in the freezer. We've got 18 ice creams. I don't know if we need them tomorrow. Like I said, we're having a barbecue for 18 people, but potentially we do. So we got these in case anyone doesn't like the dessert we make. And these need to go straight in the freezer because it is quite a lovely day. Okay, so it's a busy day in our house today. The washing machine's on and Mike's in the background. So if you can hear noise, I'm sorry, let's try and ignore that. But this is all we bought. I'm gonna start over here. These are largely fruit and veg. I got just over 2 kilos of these British Alexandra salad potatoes. I'm hoping they're nice, but honestly, I'm not certain on that, but fingers crossed. I can't see why they wouldn't be good. We got 4 mangoes for a dessert. We wanted like more ripe ones, so fingers crossed these are okay. Tangerines, whether we use them for tomorrow or not, I'm not sure. Oranges, I might make a sangria, so that's what those are for. Peppers, which I might use for a salad. Lettuce and more lettuce, both for a green salad I'm making. I got 10 limes, which hopefully I will use. These are for drinks. Spring onions, 2 cantaloupes, again, whether we eat them tomorrow or we just save for us, I'm not sure. Onions, garlic, and then red onions as well. We got 3 packets of these marvellous tomatoes, which I really like. And I just think we'll use them for like a green salad and then also just other salads that I'm making. I think they'll come in use. Mixed seedless grapes. Again, I think I'm just gonna make like some sort of fruit platter and those will be useful for that. By the way, my mum has bought a few other bits as well, and like Mike's mum's making a cake, and I'll talk about the meat when I come to it as well. But we then have just some shallots, some lemons and more lemons, some apples potentially for sangria, I'm not sure. Bananas, not for tomorrow really. 3 cucumbers because I want to make a tzatziki, and again just useful for all of the salads I'm making. I think 3 will be enough, but these aren't the biggest cucumbers. 12 large eggs. I think I said this last time, I prefer 12 medium eggs. It didn't have that, so we went for that. Then I got 8 beef burgers plus another 8 beef burgers, so 16 beef burgers, and then some pork sausages, 20 pork sausages. The reason we only have this meat is because Mike's dad volunteered to bring the meat ages ago. Like when we first bought our barbecue, he said that he would buy the meat for the first barbecue. That's why we don't have much meat. I think he's buying a few things. I think even my mum's buying some chicken wings. We have sweet corn, again for salads. Chickpeas, again I'm making a chickpea and feta salad. Some black olives and some green olives. These are for, I'm just gonna have like olives just if anyone fancies some as like a little side. Then we have icing sugar for the dessert we're making. Hopefully it turns out good. Mike's a bit dubious and he's made me a bit nervous. 15 cheesy singles. These are like cheapish cheese, but we were specifically asked for cheap cheese last time we had a barbecue, so that's what we went for. Cheese strings, these are just Michael generally as a snack. some mozzarella. We have another one in the fridge, but we bought 2. This is for a tricolore. Some double cream for the dessert. Some feta for a salad, and then mascarpone again for the dessert. We have 24 buns, burger buns, because we only have 16 burgers, but there was 24 buns. That's how many I had to buy. And also we have got 2 veggie burgers for me in the fridge. I bought some orange juice. In terms of drinks, we have lots of drinks already in the house, so we didn't buy tons, but I did buy some cow's milk, which is quite a rare thing for us to buy, but just in case anyone wants that, and I think they probably will. But we also got oat milk, which is generally what we buy. We got this cider. It's like the own brand cider, but I'm not sure who's going to drink this. We got 8 just in case anyone does want some. Some mango juice. I think we're going to try and use this for the dessert we're making. Hopefully it goes okay. Honestly, I didn't really want this lemonade, but it's all they had, and I'm going to make a sangria, so I'm hoping that it turns out okay. I bought 4 bottles of wine. We have other wine, but I just wanted some just in case. Some juice, which Michael's already drinking. This is summer fruits. Sorry, that is my washing machine, you can hear. Some chocolate in case anyone fancies some chocolate, but it's probably gonna stay for us. Biscuits, same sort of thing, if in case anyone wants a biscuit with a tea later in the day. Some sponge fingers for our dessert. Loads of crisps, not lots, but some crisps. And then fairy washing up liquid. So let me know how much you think that comes to, and then I will include the receipt at the end. Now I need to put this all away, which honestly is a task I'm not really looking forward to. A lot of the things don't really need to go away though, because like the chickpeas and the olives I'm going to use. Guys, so I'm just editing up my video and I realised that I basically said that I would show you what else I was cooking, and I didn't. It was a busy day. I had to prioritise actually getting stuff made, not cooking actually. I've done very little cooking, but I'll show you what I made. I'm gonna look at my phone so I can see what photos I've got. But like I said, my mum bought lots of stuff, Mike's parents bought lots of stuff, because there was quite a lot of us, and just because Mike's dad from day one had said that for the first barbecue he'd bring the meat, and then my mum just wanted to bring a few extra bits. So I dressed some olives really easily. I made a coleslaw. I think I showed you the cabbage that I bought. I made a feta, chickpea, cucumber, tomato like salad. We made some potatoes. Honestly, the potatoes weren't that good in my opinion. I think maybe they were a little bit under seasoned, like they didn't have quite enough salt on them. I made some couscous as well, which was nice, and a pasta salad, which I don't think I've got pictures of. We didn't actually eat everything, but we ended up eating a lot of the stuff the next 2 days. Oh, I also made some tzatziki, which went down really well. Tzatziki is one of my favourite things to make because it's like relatively healthy, because it's just Greek yogurt with cucumber. And we tried that with pitta, but really easy and delicious. And then Mike made a mango soup, so like a tiramisu but with mangoes rather than coffee, and it went down pretty well, I would say. Mike the week before had made a baked cheesecake, which is even better, but this was pretty good as well. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'm going to include the receipt from everything we bought at the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I don't think I'm going to be doing one of these anytime soon, but I am in Portugal for August, so I think I'm going to do a grocery haul there. But thank you for watching. Like this video if you enjoyed it, and I will see you soon. Bye.